how to generate this type of art in 2 minutes. Are you ready to learn the AI art generator that can generate this type of art or this type of art or even this type of art by feeding the right prompt? By the way, it's very easy to use. For that, you need a Discord account, which is very easy. If you're not familiar with Discord, it is like WhatsApp but for the communities. So you just need to click on www.discord.com and then sign up on Discord, and or you can download it on your PC as well. You can use it on browser as well. And then the next step, which is our AI generator tool, that is Midjourney. What you can search is www.midjourney.com or just search Midjourney and then click on the first link, which is midjourney.com, and let's see what it shows. And then the most easiest way, as I told you, is to just click on join the beta. Okay, so then it will ask for your Discord account because you need a Discord account for this. So once you are into this, then you have to click on accept invite. And as I was saying, once you are into their Discord server, then you have to find the newbies section. Like this is newbies 36 or newbies 6, whatever it will be. You just have to find this one, and then you can see other people's AI art generated that was generated by this AI art generator, which is Midjourney. And you can see there's very cool pictures over here. And if you want to generate your own art, then you have to give it a prompt, and the prompt starts with /imagine your description, whatever you want it to be generated. You have to just describe that thing, then its aspect ratio and the quality. Okay, and once it generates your image which you want to generate, it will give you like 4 options, and it will give you like U1, U2, U3, U4, V1, V2, V3 and V4. Whatever you want to decide is whether you like this one, and if you like any of these, like I say I like the third one. Okay, then I'll choose V3, and then it will give me some more results like that. And then I have to choose like from U1, U2, U3 and U4, and it will upscale that kind of image. And then I can just click right click and then click on save image. So this was a tutorial that how you can use Midjourney in 2023. And if you want to see my other videos on the channel, you can check out those videos. Plus, if you haven't subscribed and you find this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.